markets. Japanese stocks up for a fifth straight day today as the dollar gained against a broad range of currencies, including the yen. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke, at his testimony before Congress Wednesday, indicated the Fed will keep its current easing stance in place and may scale back its monetary stimulus later this year. But he also suggested that the Fed has no firm timetable for cutting back its stimulus measures, and this gave investors a sense of relief. For more, let's go now to Eileen Lee, who's waiting for us over at the Tokyo Stock Exchange. So, Eileen, we still saw trading was pretty cautious, though, this Wednesday. Most people were waiting for what Bernanke had to say. How did this actually affect Japanese shares today?
Thanks, Ron. Let's go straight to currencies, having a look at dollar-yen first. The dollar is trading higher, now at 100.26 to 31 against the yen, compared to the mid-99 level at the same time on Wednesday. Market players initially sold the dollar as they thought Bernanke's comments implied the Fed will maintain its loose monetary policy for some time. But analysts say they're buying back the U.S. currency as a possible tapering in the Fed's monetary program will have the effect of reducing the supply of the dollar, which also means increasing its value. And now let's have a look at euro dollar. It's now at 1.3098 to 3100, with the dollar also stronger against the euro. And we may get more direction for the US currency from the weekly jobless claims report due later. And also checking on euro yen. The euro is gaining ground against the yen as well, currently at 131.36 to 39. Market players are buying the euro as some risk appetite return due to the strong performance by Japanese equities. And here are the closing levels for Thursday, July 18th. The Nikkei gained 1.32%, ending at the highest level since May 22nd, when it hit the highest close for this year so far. The broader topics also rose 0.72%. The Nikkei opened higher as investor sentiment was boosted by the strong performance on Wall Street. The index extended its gains in the later trading session as dollar-yen hit the key 100 level, and we saw investors buy shares of major exporters. Companies like Sharp, Toshiba, and Olympus all performed strongly today. Also leading the gains were financial stocks. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial climbed more than 2%, while Mitsubishi UFJ Financial put on about 1%, and Nomura rose 0.49%. These shares were boosted by the latest string of positive earnings results by American banks, with the latest being the Bank of America. And we'll see if Morgan Stanley will also report strong earnings later today. The earnings season in the US is in full swing, with reports from other companies such as Microsoft and Google. And we'll see how this affects stocks here when we come back on Friday. And that's all from me, Ron.
All right, Eileen, thank you very much for that.